We'll guide you through how to make a vanishing cloud transition in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import your video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place both clips in the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Overlap the clips slightly so the transition area is created between them. Once the clips are arranged, create a new solid layer from the Layer menu and place it above the clips in the timeline. After creating the solid layer, apply the Fractal Noise effect from the Effects and Presets panel. This effect will generate the base texture for the cloud transition. Next, add Turbulent Displace to the same solid layer. Adjust the settings so the texture becomes softer and more organic. After that, add Fastbox Blur to the solid layer. Increase the blur amount until the edges look smooth and cloud-like. Continue adjusting the Fractal Noise, Turbulent Displace, and Blur settings until soft cloud shapes appear on the screen. Once the cloud texture looks correct, animate the evolution property of Fractal Noise by enabling keyframes. Move the playhead forward and change the evolution value so the clouds move and shift during the transition. After creating the movement, increase the opacity of the cloud layer during the overlap section so the cloud effect becomes visible at the right time. As the cloud layer grows stronger, use it to hide the first clip by covering the screen with the animated cloud texture. Then reveal the second clip behind it as the transition continues. Lower the cloud opacity or animate the effect so the second clip becomes fully visible by the end. After setting the keyframes, preview the result by playing the timeline from the beginning of the overlap. Watch carefully to make sure the clouds move smoothly and the first clip disappears naturally while the second clip is revealed. Adjust any settings or timing if needed. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Check the output settings if necessary, then click Render to export the final video. Your vanishing cloud transition is complete.